A brief history of Herbert Hoover. Herbert Hoover, America's 31st president, was born in 1874 in West Branch, Iowa. He grew up in a humble Quaker family. Post-education, Hoover found success as a mining engineer. His work took him around the globe, earning him a fortune. 1909 marked Hoover's entry into public service, beginning with American relief efforts in China. His talent for organization was unmatched. During World War I, Hoover led food relief for Europe, earning worldwide reputation. His efforts were instrumental in saving millions from starvation. In 1928, Hoover became president. However, the stock market crash of 1929 marred his presidency, leading to the Great Depression. Despite his efforts, Hoover was unable to bring the country out of the recession. This resulted in his defeat in the 1932 election. Hoover lived 31 years post-presidency, dedicated to public service. His life stands testament to a legacy of humanitarianism and service.